Hey guys, so before we hop into the Walmart haul today, we're going to talk really quickly about this company from Israel, israelpack.com. They sent me a beautifully curated box full of goodies, and just like I took a trip to Israel this afternoon and I didn't even have to leave my house. So if your summer holiday will be taking a trip to your back deck or your kitchen, kind of like me, and you just want to break it up and, get some items and a lovely curated box from the other side of the world, you might want to check out this company because I was just blown away with what they sent me. They love couponers, so they're offering my subscribers 35% off, so I can gab forever. The link for that is in the notes, but let's just go through this gorgeous box. Okay, guys, so here's the box. It is packed beautifully. You open it up and you're already on a holiday. So it's like you have a really nice girlfriend and she's sending you just a really nice present. This is the catalog of everything that's inside of the box. So in case you want more information or the backstory of why these items were picked out for you, invite a friend, get a box. Really cool initiative. And a whole poster about, taking a vacation without leaving your home, and a lot of history about Israel, which I thought was like super, super cute. They had this one little thing too on there: compassion, integrity, forgiveness, and responsibility. I thought that was pretty cool. So opening it up straight away, as you can see, it's like your girlfriend who loves you, like packaged all of this up for you, and it smelled absolutely amazing, and I'll show you in a quick second what smelled so great. So this first item was a beautiful handmade postcard, and as you can see, it's absolutely gorgeous. Now, there was one item in here I was like, something smells amazing, absolutely amazing, and here it is. It is this handmade bar of soap. And the lady who made this, like, she is a master soap maker. I am so looking forward to trying this, and it smells amazing. My whole kitchen smelled like beautiful flowers, and then lots of little goodies and food, and all of the information is also in that little guide. But these are some berries, I believe, and my husband was helping me film this. He's like, I need to try all of that. And they really have a pulse about what's happening in the world, because even like a homemade face mask. And if you guys follow me on Instagram, like a couple months back, I was just like, I can't find a face mask and I can't sew. So I greatly appreciate that. And it's of a beautiful quality, nice material as well. Now, this thing, I wasn't really sure what it was, but I did do I went through that book to read about it, and it's a spice. So how fun is that? And apparently it's supposed to be amazing with pizza. My husband loves making homemade pizza, so we're excited to try that. And everything has notes on it too, so, and beautifully wrapped. This gorgeous bookmark, just little things that, if you wanted to try it out. And every month there's different themes, so you would really have to check it out. Lots of nail care as well. So this is a treatment. As you can see, my cuticles need a bit of love, and this is the cuticle oil too. But like, this stuff looks really, really cool, and I love cosmetics from around the world, so that's going to be really neat to try. My husband wants to try all of these tonight, so he's like, that looks really amazing. And like almonds and dates, like, oh my gosh, it's going to be amazing. And then the final item, if you love chocolate and peanut butter, oh my gosh. So very delighted with that. Okay, guys, and if you are interested in getting a curated box full of wonderful items from Israel, please check out the link in the notes. That is a 35% off code to try one of these boxes, and there is no commitment, so you can just do this a one and done if you just want to see what it's about. And they have a 30-day money-back guarantee, and the packaging was absolutely fantastic for this box. Like, nothing broke in shipping, and from when it was ordered to when I received it, guys, it was like about 2 weeks, so that is pretty quick. So this box really is a celebration of food, culture, family values, and just an insight into the people of Israel, because a lot of this stuff is made from artisans. It's unique homemade products, and just really, really cool. So if you guys are interested, link in the notes, 35% off, pretty cool. And again, special thank you to Israel Pack for this awesome box. Okay, guys, even before we talk about Walmart, this guy showed up this morning. 7,000 point booster when you spend 25 on beauty. It's valid from the 9th to the 11th. I will have a matchup video probably tomorrow for this. Go into your digital coupons folder of your Walgreens account, load it right now. Not everybody gets it, as always your mileage may vary, but if you didn't load it right now. So stop the video, go to your Walgreens account and load this gem. Okay, so let's dive right into some Walmart deals today. Just to let you guys know, I did this over a bunch of days. I'm trying to get 50 rebates done by the end of the month to get a bonus that if you complete 50, you'll be put in a purse to get, I think it's $75,000 they're going to divide amongst all the users that finish the 50. Even if you're not part of a team, if you do the 50, you'll still qualify. So, I mean, how exciting is that? There was a little rebate too for, I believe it's $1 back when you do 12 rebates, like a midweek sort of a thing. So I did a couple today and then yesterday, so it was an extra $1. Why not? But this is mostly Walmart. So again, I did this over 2 different shopping trips. The Suave deodorant is $1.72. 50-cent coupon from a recent Smart Source, or is it a Retail Me Not? One of those inserts, but it was the 628 insert. I paid $1.22 out of pocket. IBOTTA gave me back 75 cents, making it 47 cents for a deodorant, so not too shabby. And then we have the Suave lotions. Very excited about this deal. They are $1.72. We have a $1 coupon from a recent insert from 28th. I paid 72 cents, and then IBOTTA is giving back a $1 rebate, making it free, plus a 28-cent money maker. Now the Suave body wash, this was also $1.72. I think I had a 75-cent coupon. I paid $1.13, and then IBOTTA gave me back 50 cents, so it made it 63 cents. Now this is another fantastic deal. The men's Suave shampoo. Pay attention, you're grabbing the right one, not the body wash. This guy at my store for whatever reason was $1.83, so I'm not sure if that's on some sort of weird rollback or clearance. There's a $1.50 coupon in a recent Retail Me Not of $6.28. You would pay 33 cents, and Shopkick is giving back 400 points, so it makes it free plus a $1.47 money maker. Another Shopkick deal that I did over 2 different days is with the Tresemme. These guys are $3.88 a piece for the Tresemme shampoo. So for 2 of them, and that's $7.76. I had a 2 off of 2 from the Smart Source of June the 28th. So I paid $5.76 out of pocket, and Shopkick is giving back 1,400 points when you buy them in a set, which is basically like $5.60. So it basically made it totally for free. Now with these Carefree pads, I did this over 3 different shopping trips. These guys are $4.97. I had a $4 Peely, so I paid 97 cents out of pocket. IBOTTA is giving back $1.50 for this product, so it made it free plus a 53-cent money maker. The Crunch Master crackers are $1.98. There was a $1 coupon from a May insert, so I paid 98 cents. IBOTTA is giving back $1.25, making it free plus a 27-cent money maker. These Butterfingers, again, I did it over 2 different trips. 88 cents a piece, found at the checkout lane. IBOTTA is giving back a quarter, making it 63 cents. Ivanas are a favorite of my husband. We barely ever see deals on this. They're $1.79 each, so that is a little bit out of pocket. IBOTTA is giving back a quarter, so it makes it $1.54, which is not a bad price for these Starbucks drinks, and it's just a really fancy iced tea. And these little drinks are found in the international section. They are $1.63 each. Unfortunately, no coupons for that, but IBOTTA is giving back $1, and I bought this one today, and I bought this one a couple days back. Because it's so hot, we're just going to throw in some photos now. $3.18 for a Cracker Barrel cheese, and here's the magic to this. 75 cents from IBOTTA and 200 points back from Shopkick, so the final price point for this one is $1.43. I also got an Old El Paso shredded cheese. This guy is $2.68. IBOTTA is giving back 75 cents, so it makes it $1.93. My husband loves scrambled eggs in the morning with a lot of cheese, and this cheese he really seems to like. So to keep him happy, I have no problem paying $1.93 for this. And then the final item that I grabbed was one of these Welch's. They have the passion fruit for $2. They have another one too, like some pineapple juice. $2. IBOTTA is giving back a quarter, and Shopkick is giving back $2.50. So the final price point for this jug of juice is 75 cents. With all of this, I mean, I got back my dollar midweek challenge, you know, just going back to the store multiple occasions, you know, doing this deal twice and doing other deals a couple of times. It worked out really well. Now, I was able to track down these disinfectant wipes. They were $1.83, found on an end cap. So you might want to keep an eye out. They're not putting it with the traditional stuff in the cleaning aisle. They're putting it on end caps because I think people are not clearing as much. So something to think about. In the clearance section, I found this little pencil case. I thought it was absolutely adorable, by this company, Simply Vintage, and it was $3. And then the 4th of July is on clearance, and I got a whole bunch of like forks and knives and stuff for a quarter. And just closing it off here, guys, I just wanted to show you some of the clearance that I found. These are the really cool like pencil cases that I found for $3. The original price point was $4.88, and all of the 4th of July plates, napkins, you name it, a quarter each. So this all went on clearance on Sunday, so you might want to root around the clearance section, or if they have a special display at the front of the store, you might be able to score a lot of this stuff really inexpensive. And they also had a couple graduation things, so you might want to check that out. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.